So what I was saying is, if you take a look at the programming here, they're going to be using a few programming tricks. Obviously, one of the things that you're going to want to know if you're a programmer is how to make this program be independent of having to have a human monitor it, right? So just like a Roomba robotic vacuum, or they actually have things that mow your lawn now. They literally follow their way through this on their own. So what I want to do for you guys real quick is just show you that in this video that I'm attaching to the assignment, you're going to learn how to use an if-else and an if-then statement. And what happens is in the control section here. And what happens here is you're able to give the computer an option, give the program or the robot or whatever you're programming, could be even be an app. If the user does this or the robot does this, then you should do that. Okay, and you'll see how this is done because it's as you become more adept at programming, it becomes much bigger part of your everyday, what you'll be doing every day to make this work. So now they're starting to play around with other things. So if the distance, so they're going to sense it. They want to sense if this distance is a certain distance away. All right, so there's actually a command in there. So if the distance in millimeters is less than 260, how would it measure that? It's going to use a device called a sonar sensor, and that would actually bounce it off of whatever's in front of it, sound waves, and return it back to the robot or the user. And that would give them an exact approximation of where that wall is. And very, very exact, to be honest, not really an approximation. And to be quite honest with you, it's exactly what you use when you go fishing or boating. And a boat depth finder or fish finder is the exact same system. All right, so you're going to learn a little bit about this if-then loop, and you're going to have the robot make choices. If it goes forward, then it needs to do X. If it goes backwards, it needs to do Y. And using these commands and using this video that I'm attaching here, it's on YouTube, but this video I'll make sure is on the assignment. So I'm going to have this all ready for you to go. What I want from you, let's look at the actual, what you need to hand in. So the first algorithm is just or program that solves the maze. Okay, so that's level 1. That's one of 3 things you're handing in. Level 2 solves 3 mazes without any project modifications. So listen, if you do this right on the first one, it can really do all 3. But if you want to make some modifications to get it through the other ones, yes, you could do level 1, level 2, level 3. If you're going to hand in one code, it better be able to, I'm going to run it in, it better be able to do all 9 mazes, because I think you can do it. I think you can do it with one code if you carefully plan it out. Okay? So I wanted to just say, have a great day, watch the video, and attack the problem. Okay? I'll put all these links on the assignment. I hope all is well with you guys, and I miss you guys dearly. Have a great day. Bye.